In 7.5 billion years, the sun will expand and engulf our planet, destroying all life on Earth. Of course, mass extinctions on Earth may happen much earlier. Sooner or later, humans may have to leave Earth to find a new home. But in fact, organisms much smaller than us achieved this millions of years ago. And they weren't as intelligent as we are. Imagine, millions of years ago, a comet passed through Earth's outer atmosphere. These microbes were deeply embedded in the pores of the comet to shield themselves from deep space radiation. Long after, the comet struck a planet in another solar system. The surviving microbes began to grow in their new home. But if microbes from Earth really managed to travel to another planet, does that mean one day we could do the same? Microbes are tiny, but extremely numerous, although we haven't discovered 99.999% of them yet. The microbes we do know are crucial to our survival, like algae and cyanobacteria.
Before plants evolved,
Microbes were the only producers of oxygen on Earth. So, considering this, assuming humanity will continue to rely on oxygen to survive, we may actually need microbes in space to support life on other planets. If the theory that Earth's microbes hitchhiked on a comet millions of years ago is correct, then there could be another planet with an environment similar to Earth's. Unfortunately, this Earth-like planet is located in another solar system. So far, humans have only been to the Moon. The best way to test this theory is to send microbes to Mars or other nearby Earth-like planet candidates, and hope they cultivate an atmosphere suitable for us. If microbes released from Earth can successfully create an atmosphere like ours and establish the basis of a food chain, we stand a better chance of creating a new future for ourselves. Unfortunately, it's hard to predict how microbes will react in space. In some cases, bacteria may become less harmful, but in others, they may grow faster, becoming more dangerous. We don't know how our microbes will affect existing ecosystems on other planets. They might become invasive species, pushing native life on other planets toward extinction. It's difficult to say how the microbes we send will evolve on a new planet. Of course, we may see new plants on the new planet. But what kind of plants exactly? Another concern is, if microbes can successfully travel through space to beyond Earth, then Earth might also be harmed by them. If Earth becomes infected by alien microbes, it could trigger new diseases we can't cure. If such an alien epidemic can't be cured, we might be forced to abandon our home. But you should know, we are far from having a complete theory of microbial development in space travel. After all, we're still studying atmospheric biology, which makes understanding conditions from hundreds of millions of years ago even more challenging. Also, we don't know how long these microbes can survive. We know some microbes can live for decades and survive harsh space environments. But can annelids or other creatures live long enough to reach a completely different solar system? That remains to be seen, or may not matter. That's the end of this episode. What do you think? Thanks for watching.
see you next time.